Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the D&D roll your character filter on TikTok. I'm talking about this one. I'm talking about this filter. Okay, if you're looking for the filter here in TikTok, in the effect gallery, you will not find the filter here. This filter is from Instagram. So install Instagram, and once you install Instagram, this is the filter on Instagram. To get this filter on Instagram, you can visit the creator profile. Gorjuki is the creator of this filter. Let's go to his profile. Okay, check in his filter tray, and this is the filter. Roll your character. Just tap on it. Now from here you can add it to your Instagram favorite, and you can tap on try to try the filter. So this is the filter, and suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then you can do one thing. Let me close this one. Okay, you can do one thing. You can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website also you will get the link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, finally you got the filter. Then what you will do, we'll record a video here in Instagram and we'll save the video to our camera roll, and from there we can use the video in TikTok. So let me record a small video. Okay, let's save it. Okay, saved. Now let's go to TikTok. Okay, this is the upload button in TikTok. Let's tap on upload. Okay, I saved twice, no problem. Select the video, hit next. Hit next. If you want to edit something, want to add some sound, you can do it here. Once you finish editing, hit the next button. And that's it. From here you can send it to your TikTok, share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do this D&D filter thing on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.